The silhouette is making a comeback this summer with a new style that combines tradition with collegiate flair, drawing inspiration from antique Varsity jackets. With its leather top, rubber shell toe, and serrated three-stripe logo, this updated version of the Superstar retains its iconic features. Its details, however, veer towards nostalgic America. The heel tab, which mimics Varsity jacket patches with an enlarged trefoil and plush chenille, the inner lining, and the tongue branding all have classic green elements that match the soft bone-colored top. Adding a last touch of luxury is the Superstar. Inscription in gold foil. Subtle yet powerful, the design cues draw from a classic style without deviating too much from the silhouette's essential characteristics. The Superstar is still one of Adidas' most adaptable and culturally sensitive trainers, as this serves as yet another reminder. This summer, pairs are anticipated to be available on Adidas.com and a few other stores.